Test, test. Good morning, baby. Oh, I think I'm getting sick, guys. Oh. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, what a start to the week. Are we cut short this week? We have a full trading week, right? There's no holidays coming up. What's April 9? 5 through the 9th. Okay. Oh man, Tessa. I'm telling you guys, I'm missing out on Tessa. I mean, you had the delivery numbers. What was it? 180 um delivered, 185,000 delivered. And the expectations were like 170. It was like a 6-7% beat on the estimates without the Model X, without the Model S, the higher end vehicles Tesla sells, without that, and without the long range Model 3 in China, and it still beat record numbers. That's crazy. They're gonna go for a million this year. We have what, Giga Berlin, Texas. We have Fremont. It's crazy, man. Tesla. The only thing that worries me on Tesla, obviously, am I gonna chase it? You'd be crazy to think I'm gonna buy up here. Absolutely not. Do I have FOMO? Yes. But the only thing that worries me is that 10 year. That 10 year is the only thing that worries me. Ralph is getting sick after visiting AMC. I did go to AMC. I did go to AMC. No, it's pretty cold. That's why I have my jacket on. But Kong Godzilla was a pretty good movie. I liked it. Elon Musk actually is pumping AMC. Well, not AMC, but he says he likes the movie. He tweeted out this morning. Let me pull up his Twitter really quick. Elon, and today, guys, it's April 5th. So AMC is going from 25% to 50% capacity. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that is today. This is not this is not AMC. This is Tesla. So I think that's why another reason we're seeing that. And we had a new upgrade from a neutral to a buy. Where is it at? I don't think they'll have it here. They were opening up here in LA, Orange County, to 50%. Good morning, Thomas. Good morning, guys. Ragnar, do a backflip. Alfredo from the Bronx. Here we go. He tweeted, "The Earth is not flat. It's a hollow globe, and Donkey Kong lives there." Let's see, what else did he tweet? Godzilla vs. Kong is so amazed much. Wow. Most insane movie I've ever seen. Love letter to the conspiracy theorists, and yet heartwarming in the end. It was a pretty good movie. I liked it. I was very confused at first, but highly recommend. All right, let's go. Let me peep Bitcoin price really quick. It better not be at 58K. It's at 57.89. What's my 10 year? What's the 10 year at? Is it back at 1.72? 1.728. That's the only thing that worries me. Let's see. You might have to refresh the stream. Maybe that's what it is. But there's been a lot of like things going on with YouTube. GameStop will become a new zodiac sign. Guys, we have a change in the schedule, so we're not only going an hour or so live at market open, and then we're coming back power hour. Content is going to change. I'm bringing you guys more insights on more stocks, such as Disca. What is Disca doing this morning? All right, flat. I like it. Viacom, flat still gives me an entry price. These stocks, I'm watching like a hawk. I have my alert set. Tesla's another one. We've been doing some more research on other um companies Like what was the ticker I was watching yesterday? I placed it here in my watch list. Uh, it's like a Carvana in China. You guys brought it up on Thursday actually, and I revisited that stock yesterday. I forgot the ticker. So many stocks, so many tickers. UXIN, yes, UXIN. It's a penny stock. Be very careful. This one I'm trying to snipe back after earnings mid-April. I'm trying to get back in at $1.15, which is that gap close here. So I'm not chasing this penny stock. I think it has the potential to come down even more, but this is just one of the plays that I haven't watched. So yes, thank you, Robert. UNIX. Oh, UXIN. I'm sorry. UXIN. It's like the Carvana of China. How about Facebook? Yeah, there was like this data leak, right, on Facebook. So just also look for some cybersecurity plays. Facebook had this like crazy leak, if I'm not mistaken. 533 million Facebook users reportedly made available online for free. This happened here as well, here in Cali. There was like this university, right? They got leaked like social security numbers, students' emails, phone numbers, social security numbers. There was a massive leak. Can you check Neo? It's probably gapping a pre-market if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's following Tesla 39.80, which was towards the prices it was trading at on Thursday. Remember, market was closed on Friday. Now we're at $40. So all these stocks are ones that I'm trying to play, man. I'm trying to get my attention to. Obviously, AMC, GameStop carry a lot of my attention. I'm trying to change that because I'm missing out on these plays. I'm missing out. Like I'm not making any money right now. Facebook is evil, stay away. I've had my days with Facebook. Every time I feel like I try to trade Facebook, I lose. I don't understand the momentum just yet like I do on Tesla. Robert, I don't understand what you mean. Why is there a price at the top of your charts different than the price on the right margin indicator? This you're probably talking about the EMA. You're talking about the indicators, if I'm not mistaken. I think you're confusing both of them. Good morning, Starclouds. Good morning. Welcome back. I wonder if the Facebook leak is why I've been getting slammed with spam texts. Jason Ho from Texas. Good morning. Possibly. No, I don't have my nipples pierced. That's such a random question. The piercings are somewhere else. $10 on AMC pre-market. GameStop. I love this bounce here. 172. We're not that far off from the after hours on Thursdays, which is 190s, guys. If you guys are not aware, 3.5 million share offering on GameStop via what, Jeffries? I believe they're going through Jeffries. I haven't really dug into the GameStop offering just yet, but if I'm not mistaken, it's 3.5 million. And there's like this massive FUD via CNBC articles, which really pissed me off. Their headlines are so misleading. This was honestly it was long overdue, I believe. We were obviously speculating an offering from GameStop just like AMC did, but we didn't get it till April. The 3.5 million at what price? They don't have a price if I'm not mistaken. There is no price. There is no price. Yeah, 3.5 million won't even cover the FTDs, which who knows, tens of millions. This does not kill the squeeze. Absolutely not. This is only like what 5% of the 69 million shares issued. What a number, 69 million. Oh, and there's also those crazy box numbers on AMC. There's a ton of catalysts on AMC, which is why we're moving up pre-market. I love it. At market offering, so there really isn't a price, but it's up to 1 billion. My question still remains. I don't know the answer to this, but are we gonna have a disclosure as to who buys from GameStop or Jeffries? That's my question that I don't know the answer to. Like, will we know, or is it gonna be Very discreet. That's my question. Guys, as well, something's going on with the GameStop Reddit subreddit. The mods, it's compromise. I don't know what's going on. There's always drama going on there. It just sucks. You got banned there for no reason. Yeah, I don't know what happened yesterday. There was like the OG mods. I think it's like Renzel or something like that. A warden. I don't know what happened with them. I think they got kicked. How does that even go about? Obviously, unless, there's something shady going on. You feel the earthquake? Is there another earthquake this morning? Man, guys, we have 13 minutes till the market opens. Let's see. I don't think there was an earthquake now. Yeah, let's wait to see what they issue, what kind of statement they issue today. Yeah, supposedly the price is at 285 for GameStop, right? Because if you think about it, does this calculator let me do 1 billion? What number is that? I can't even think right now. Oh shoot. Yeah, that'd be I got an extra zero, but that'd be 285 a share. I had an extra zero there, not 285,000. Oh, maybe this iced coffee is not a good idea anymore. He already released his statement. MVIS, I believe we covered Microvision. I said I wouldn't touch it. Wait, I think I'm getting them confused. I'm getting them confused actually. This one was the one with the deal, right, with Microsoft or the Army, right? Army contract. There we go. This one was another I believe I guess you can call it a sympathy play along Microsoft. Would I chase it? No. Do I think there's a beautiful uptrend? Yes. To me, as for a day trader, as for a swing trader, obviously I don't understand the fundamentals of this company at all. I would not invest in it just because I don't know about it. I don't feel comfortable. I do think that volume was there on Thursday, except the wrong way or going the wrong way. I believe it was down like 16 or so percent that day. As of now, pre-market's pretty much flat at 16, but I don't see that play there, you know? And the more, keep in mind, the more stocks you add to your watch list, the more alerts you have, the more your attention is spread. You have to have laser focus. That's the problem sometimes I find myself. I have like 10 stocks I'm watching and I really can't focus on one. I can't snipe or trade one. So I think of that as opportunity cost, you know? So it's mostly that as to why I won't watch this stock and I won't trade it because there's other opportunities out there in my opinion. So that's the way I see it. What's SPY at? Is it still 400 plus? Oh my gosh, stocks only go up, man. Guys, I think we have Powell on Wednesday too. Powell on Wednesday. Harvey's. But it's not being offered at 285. Yellen is on today? I need to check that out. Powell's gonna take the market better for us, guys. Better deals for us. I mean, I'm not chasing Tesla, but man, Tesla's just that stock. Did Elon tweet about us apes? He didn't tweet. Oh, there is an earthquake. Residents in Los Angeles area were woken up by a series of earthquakes. Not me. I was woken up by this GameStop news, man. The first thing I saw, GameStop offering, I'm like, Powell's gonna no, Elon did not tweet about AMC. He tweeted about the movie Godzilla and King Kong, which was a pretty good movie. I saw a lot of mixed reviews and people not liking the movie and whatnot, but I thought it was pretty cool. So basically, I haven't checked what mail came in yet. Haven't gone to the shop. Oh yes, yes. Thank you for reminding me, Corey. CNBC is gonna have Adam Aron today, right? At market close. Is it at market close or a power hour? I think it was at market close. But yeah, he's coming on, or is it Fox Business? Fox Business or CNBC? I'm pretty sure it's Fox Business. He was already on CNBC on Thursday. But let's see what he says. Maybe let's see what he says. Let's hopefully he doesn't bring up the offering again and have the same interview he did on Thursday with CNBC and Kramer. Power hour, right? It might be. I don't know what it is. Thinkorswim is driving me crazy to set up even with your video. What problems are you having, Keith, with Thinkorswim? I was about to say CNBC. I think it's fairly straight simple. Let's see. Morning, Kevin. Good morning. What new week we have here. I'm excited too. I'm excited. Let's see. All right, what do you got? 8 minutes? Are you excited, Ralph? Every day, man. This long weekend was killing me. I was just, I wanted to trade. I wanted to see the markets. You love the Friday stream. There was no stream on Friday. Oh, there was did we stream on Friday? I think we did, right? For the Ask Me Anything, Alexis Goldstein on Reddit, which obviously I was disappointed that day. She was avoiding a lot of the juicy questions. Obviously, she probably didn't have any insight on it. She said she didn't understand. She commented that the squeeze was there, that there will be no squeeze on GameStop, and then at the end of the day, she ended up saying she doesn't know what's gonna happen. I'm with you on that, Robert. Good morning, Mark O'Reilly. Good morning. Welcome back. Let's see. You see what happened on this GameStop server Reddit? I heard about it. I haven't really looked into it. This happened yesterday, right? There was some talks about the mods being kicked, or I don't know what happened. Mods being replaced. Yeah, Elon indirectly tweeted about AMC. That's the best way to put it. Oh, and then on Wednesday, I believe I just thought about the Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort. I believe Trey is uploading his interview. Good morning, Kayla. Good morning. Welcome back with Jordan Belfort on Wednesday. He just had to deal with some legal issues, legal paperwork. I'm very excited for that one as well. I've been looking forward to that. It was originally supposed to come out on Thursday after the market closed, but it just builds more anticipation. Let's see. Super stonk. What? Let's see. Let me pull up Reddit. Super stonk. All right, here we go. 5 minutes. Super stonk. 69,000 members. I am not okay. There's an earthquake here. I'm really screwed. I think I'm literally, guys, right on the San Andreas fault. Like, if there's something big, there's a big earthquake, I'm pretty much, I don't know. I like to remain optimistic, but I don't know. It's very scary sometimes. Matt, good morning. Hootie hoo for all the hedgies. LFG Monday apes. Let's go, baby. We're above 10 on AMC pre-markets. We are bouncing back from the 155, which is almost a $0.5 mark at 150. We're at 175 on GameStop. Let's see what happens at market open. Got your spacesuit washed up? Yes, it's right there on the couch. I'm just really cold. I have my I have my jacket on. You weren't notified, Dan? Yeah. YouTube like really like nerfed the channel. I don't know why. Hedgies, I don't know. Put on your conspiracy hat, your tinfoil hat. Throw your Jamer on the ground. He's right here. Let's see. Let's see. I forgot to pull up the level 2 on both of these stonks. Let's pull them up really quick. Good morning, Jen. Welcome back. Can I have your mug? I'm still scared to use that mug, by the way, that Jonathan sent us. I feel like it's just a piece of art that you're not supposed to use. All right, here we go. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. How is Tesla? Let's pull down the volume really quick. 707. I'm not chasing. I'm not chasing. What's up, Vince? What's up? Here we go. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Why are you streaming stock market? Go find a job. Oh man. Uh, Mr. Coda. Yes. I think there's a couple catalysts today, including that neutral change to buy. I activated Windows, guys. I don't know why it's still there. Good morning, Victor. Good morning. Welcome back. I literally activated Windows. Michael, thank you for the dono. Your monthly donation until you go to the super chat subscription model. No, we'll never do super chat subscription model. I appreciate the dono though. That dono, baby. It's going for WPF shares. Guess what? Speaking about Webull, you guys are signing up via Webull. I think like one day it'll be the final share, the final Webull share. We have 4 Webull shares. Can you guys take a guess of what we're gonna get? It's not WPF. We're getting Tesla shares. We are getting a Tesla share today. We're breaking the curse. We have 4 shots, and it's now WPF. If you guys want to help me become WPF CEO, there's a link down below for Webull. You and me get a free stonk, and you help me take over WPF. All right, here we go. 27 seconds. I appreciate that, Roberto. Let's get a robber pump in the chat. Every time you get a WPF, I buy some. I have my alert on WPF just in case one day it just gaps up to $100. Here we go, 12 seconds. Here we go. 6, 5, 4. One more shot of coffee. Deep breath. 1. Let's go, baby. Another week. Let's go. Oh, come on, GameStop. AMC should have a massive green day today. Let's just have a green day today. Robert roll call. All right, let's move this really quick. Please don't start selling off on me. Let's move this to the side. UXIN is coming down under 176. What else we got? SKLZ also pulling back. I'm curious to see the momentum and the volume today. That's the key, the volume. Robert Pump, let's get that. In the chat is where my Robert's at. All right, 994. Friday, I think Friday we closed near the lows, right? Thursday, I'm sorry. 914, 895 pre-market this morning. We're back at 10. On the 4-hour, guys, I feel like we're still in this range still. Let's hop back in the range in which we are now. We're still at the range. Where did we bounce? Where did we bounce off of? SMA. SMA is where we bounce off of. So let's find some support right around the 980s. GameStop really quiet today, guys. You guys see this? It's like it's not trading. We're barely even ticking. Look at this. We're kind of stuck at 172. There we go. How many WPF shares do you have now? I have like, I don't know actually. I probably have a cool 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Probably cool 35 shares. Let's peep the overall market. Nasdaq, green pulling on back now. SPY just hit a brand new high. Oh man, look at this. This is insane. Tesla, what are you doing? Pulling back at market open? This is exactly why I won't chase you. Let's set our alertos. Alert at or below. We might catch the dip on this one. Let's see. AMC pulling back still. 10-year. What's my 10-year yield? 10-year. What are you at? 1.724, I believe, was the last. 1.72 still. That's the only thing that scares me. Because if that number goes to 2%, ooh, boy, tech is going to get smoked. All right, AMC, that's that bounce we're looking for. 980 bounce. GameStop still very quiet. The unusual momentum we see at open seems like people are still digesting that offering ZOM. ZOM was one I was not going to trade. Why? It's barcoding. Then this, look, it's pulling back now. This is exactly why I would avoid ZOM. Literally, barcode city. If there's anything I hate in the market, it's barcodes, guys. Stay away. And it's pulling back to 137 on the daily. It's cracking that previous support at 150, so I'd be very, very cautious with ZOM. AMC, on the other hand, let's close above 10. Let's go. GameStop slowly reversing. Guys, we have to close this pullback here. Not necessarily a gap, but this pullback would possibly be around 185. That's the price target we are looking for to hitting today, this market open, possibly in the next hour or so. So let's wait and see 185. Just by SPY. SPY's hitting new highs, but it's too boring. It's got to be something. I'm under the influencer, which just makes me cringe on Weibo. They reached out a while back, and they're like, "We want you to be a sponsor for Weibo and whatnot." And I don't even necessarily use Weibo. I use TD Ameritrade. SPY is not for boomers, no. SPY is for that long term, baby, that long term vision, that long term approach, which I have in my IRA. So I could do both. I love both, going long and day trading. Except, like you said, it's not a boomer approach. It's a safer approach. You go long term, you'll have a couple million, depending on how much you invest per month, and not spend money on freaking overpriced Starbucks. Use that money, invest it in the index, baby, and just do the math. At whatever so percent a year the market gives you back, compound interest. There we go. 976, pulling back a little bit more aggressively than I thought. I thought we would possibly hold 990s, but it seems to me now like we're pulling back to at least 950s maybe, which happens to still be around the SMA on the 1 minute. GameStop still holding 172. So let's see where we hold on AMC. And I'm not a financial advisor. Let's see. I'm curious to check Fintel. Fake Tel, I should say. On on GameStop. Let's see how these numbers changed. If they did. Short interest, let's pull that up for AMC. Let's pull this up for GameStop. GameStop still pulling back rejection at EMA, which is not something new. Something we've definitely seen over the last couple of weeks. Rejection at EMA. So now we're still pulling back 166. I don't want to retest these pre-market lows here. I don't like the double bottom. We're so close to 150s. Let's try and hold here. Trimisi, good morning. Good morning. All right, Finto, what are you showing us? AMC, 42 minutes ago, 200K, which is not bad. I mean, keep in mind this is a small sample. This could be way off, but it's nice to track the supply and demand. I think it was in the millions, right? If I'm not mistaken. It was in the millions for AMC. Let's peep GameStop really quick. It's showing 80,000 for GameStop. in which we were at zero, literally zero last week. How about that fee? 1.2. Okay, cool. Don't forget to give Viacom. Yes, I'm still waiting. I'm patient. I'm really patient for this exact same reason. Look, new low. This exact same reason. I've gone burned on Netflix before chasing too fast. It's still pulling back, and if it does crack 40s, man, it's still gonna pull on back. On the 4 hour, this is way oversold, man. Look at this. This is screaming dead cat bounce. I'm gonna actually sell. Oh my gosh, Walmart! I wanted to sell you today. I think we're broken even finally. Yes, we're broken even on Walmart. This was such a bad play on my part. The timing was very off. I got in too early, too quick. And this is the exact play we're waiting for a Viacom. Walmart status here. Visa's another one. Very small position, of course, but I didn't really get that next leg down in which I would have added more shares on Visa, Walmart, which I bought too fast, too soon, which I might sell. Put that capital into Viacom, into Disco, which is probably pulling back. New low as well. Patience pays sometimes. You can see the rejection here on the 4 hour for the EMA. If it comes down under 40, baby, I'm waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Look at the daily. This is just way oversold. Let's put in another alert here just in case. I don't want to miss this. Do not want to miss this. AMC, what are you doing? What a nice recovery. Let's find some support at $10 for AMC. That's what we need. $10 support. Tesla's jumping still. Oh, don't make me get FOMO. Nah, it's not. No. It had a pre-market gap of yes to 700, but like always, 700 is that massive resistance we've been seeing on Tesla. It tested it twice on the bounce after pulling back, getting rejected, which is exactly why I sold, and which is exactly why I'm being patient. This gap up was anticipated after those delivery numbers, which are insane. Without the Model S in production or the Model X, which are the higher priced Teslas, without the long range Model 3 in China, that is insane. Oh, and the Model Y is barely getting ramped up in China as well. I'm excited for Tesla. That Gigafactory in Texas. Ooh, baby. There's just so many catalysts for Tesla. I think the earnings is on the 5th, May 5th, which is one day after the shareholder meeting for AMC. That's going to be such an epic week. I can't wait. AMC, GameStop still pulling back. Did you guys notice something on AMC and GameStop today? Can someone tell me what's wrong with these patterns? Come on, somebody. Somebody tell me. What do you guys see different here on GameStop and AMC? What's not looking right? Someone tell me. Yup, Giga in Texas and Berlin. And there's one already here in Fremont too. And we had a chip shortage and they still delivered. They're not following. Yes, they're opposite, guys. As of Thursday, GameStop and AMC have broken up. They're not following each other anymore. So let's see where they do follow each other, if that's the case today. Because if GameStop still pulls on back right now, which is still dangling towards the bottom here at 164, we need that bounce, man. Come on, we need that bounce. Let's see how this affects AMC. All right, here we go. New Market Watch article. AMC Entertainment stock is up 4% after B. Riley analyst turned bullish. Every time I hear AMC analyst, I think of that one guy who put a 1 penny price target on AMC. What was his name? What was that guy's name? The guy who put Richard Greenfield, right? If my smooth brain is remembering correctly. Richard Greenfield. CNBC's talking about AMC right now. They better be pumping. There's a reversal. We're looking for GameStop again. Oh, they are talking about GameStop. I mean AMC.
More numbers, but it lighting the world on fire before the pandemic. I mean, this is AMC.
Yes.
Yeah, but David, I know they have a lot of debt, but I do think that if you're the only movie theater that gets through, I mean, you look at Darden, okay? Is Darden the only large Italian food restaurant that got through because a lot of the Italian mom and pops went under? Well, I could argue that they have scale.
I don't.
What? You don't know? You don't.
No, I mean, aren't they losing money still by being wide open? You know, until people really come back, isn't it sort of a money-losing proposition?
But what happens when you're the
Cineworld
last...
stayed closed. I mean, Carmike's finally opening. Say again?
Well, no. I mean, look, Adam Aaron's goal is he's not a monopolist, but it's to be able to stay alive through this period. He came on and he said that there's been 5 bankruptcy scares. 5. I mean, that's incredible. When you go read the Darden conference call, they're talking about how much money they can spend versus everybody else. I mean, one of the things that's happened here is that the big got bigger. I don't know, Carl. I think that this is
true. It's true. But, you know,
Darwinian.
Jim, when I think about final thought quickly on AMC, when I think about the big winner here, Carl, it's Silver Lake. I mean, they thought they had basically a 0 on their hands, and they sold out at 12.
Yep.
So
how about Wanda?
Right now, that's the only. And Wanda's the loser.
Yeah, Wanda's
biggest
the loser.
owner. Tried to get out before this all hit. They're a loser. So we'll see.
Yep, they're a loser.
They're not what they fascinating, guys. What a tale. Guys, every sector is green except for oil, and we got.
I can't watch this. It makes me so sad every time I pull up CNBC. I hate CNBC. Adam Aaron is going to be on later, if I'm not mistaken, on Fox, right? I need to find that. At what time? I think it's market close or power hour. All right, there's that bounce we were waiting for in GameStop. Usually we see that bounce later on, like an hour or so. We usually have a spike at market open, in which we do not see on GameStop today. Oh my gosh! This spike at market open literally came through right now. Look at this candle, 177 wick. Wow. That's what I call a bounce. 3 p.m. Eastern, so power hour. Yes, that's perfect time. That timing, right? I think these market makers are watching us, man. They're watching us. This push is what we usually see at market open, and then we sell off, we pull back, we see this resistance here at the EMA, and then we reverse midday. And this pattern is very consistent. It happens all the time. That spike we did not see at market open. We're seeing that resistance at EMA, but the only difference here now is we're seeing a very fast V-like recovery on GameStop with this spike to 177. If AMC is following GameStop, AMC should spike right now. Let's see that. Let's follow each other. Come on. Spike up. All right, here we go. 177. That was such a weird spike. That 3.5 million is nothing. It's nothing. And this was anticipated. This was expected from GameStop. Just like AMC had an offering. And to have it be 3.5 million, these guys, GameStop took the shareholders into consideration. They took the apes into consideration. Also, keep in mind, Cohen has a big stake. How many shares does he have again? I forgot. 10 million shares, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, Tesla's pulling back. EMA resistance. Should we catch a dip? I'm scared, especially after this huge gap up. There's a gap to close here. Let's see. And like I said, watch that 10-year, baby. Apple, wow. Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, wow. No, I'm not buying the dip just yet, Tony. I'm patient on Tesla. All right, how's the 5 minute? How's the 5? We're above EMA on the 5 minute. 5 minute EMA is at 171. Perfect, healthy pullback. Let's just not cross under 170. Let's say 170. Green spikes get me thirsty. Wow. Let's see what Twitter is saying. We got any news on Twitter? Tim Cook dropped some hints on Apple's car plans. Who here would buy an EV car from Apple? I'm just trying to get the consensus. Let me hear those opinions, guys. I would not buy a car from Apple. I feel like that's where Tesla has that advantage over GM, over Ford, over any other car manufacturer that's gonna hop into EVs. It's like, okay, I'm gonna buy an EV. Let me do some DD. Let me do some research. Oh, this car here, Ford, GM, Volkswagen, Audi. It's just like you do some DD and then you go to Tesla. It's just like you're gonna buy a Tesla at the end of the day. That's the way I think about it. If you're gonna buy an EV, you're gonna take into consideration other EV vehicles, but at the end of the day, you're gonna go back to Tesla. You ask your neighbor who has a Tesla how he likes it. He loves it. He tells you to buy. See, I'd buy a Tesla. That's the way I see it. You won't buy a Toyota phone? It's like it's just a no. That's just the way I see it. But of course, there's diehard Apple fans, just like myself. I would never get a phone other than an iPhone, other than Apple. I wouldn't get an Android, but there's a fine line there. I would not get an Apple car. I don't know. Yeah, the Audi EVs they look dope. They look sick, but at the end of the day, Tesla has my heart. I need to get a Tesla, man. It's just that's just like the end car right there, a Tesla. Neo, a horse running. I'm looking at Neo. I'm looking at Xpeng. XPEV is another one, another big EV in China. Xpeng, which is literally 36 bucks after this pullback here market open. Let's take a look at Neo. How are we performing today, Neo? 40 bucks. They're all following Tesla. Tesla's leading the way. AMC, I love this. You guys see this? Higher lows. What do you see? Higher lows. I like that. GameStop as well. One sign of strength on GameStop is the bounces at EMA right here. This bounce here immediately after just one red candle is what I call strength. Now, for strength to be completed, we need to see another push, another leg up to 180, which literally would put us in the territory we're here on Thursday, which is just this is strength here. Let's just push up and bounce. That's what we need. I would buy a car from Arby's. An Arby's car. That's hilarious. That's the end car. A Model X Tesla with the plates that say Tesla. That's it. All right, we're seeing some slight resistance here at 177 on GameStop. We're not breaking above 178. That's the level we need to break above, and it's now pulling back, testing EMA. That's the only thing I'm worried about. But look at this candle here. Look at this bounce. If this candle can close above 176, I think we'll see another leg up. Let's see it. Let's see it. You got 15 seconds, baby. 15 seconds on this candle. Oh, and some rocket ships on the sides. Slap an AMC logo on the right door and a GameStop on the left and a big rocket emoji on the back. All right, there we go. There we go. New candle on the 1 minute. And we're closing near the high here at 178. We just need that breakout, baby. I think it needs a little stroking on the candle. Come on. Where's that strength at? Where's that bounce at? That's what we need for AMC as well. Continuation of there we go, baby. Let's go. Let's hop back into the other range we were on Thursday, man. This is strength here. Bouncing above EMA. This is exactly what I'm talking about. The OTC data for February is out on FINRA. I'll take a look at that right now. Guys, we have a new streaming schedule. We're only going live for an hour or so, an hour and a half at market open. It gives me more free time to do some more DD on these stocks, make better videos, and I also have other things I have to take care of today. I'm just all over the place. So I'm happy for a new week. There we go. GameStop 181. But of course, we're always going to be back power hour. We also have Adam Aaron on Fox, right? I don't know where he's going to come on. Wherever he comes on, we're going to be hunting him. Let's see what he has to say about AMC. Thanks for not abandoning us. I would never abandon you guys. The content as well is going to change, guys. The content is going to change. Of course, for the last who knows how many videos, it's been solely on AMC and GameStop. And I just feel like I'm missing out on other stocks that are rallying as well. Pulling back, dip buy opportunities. I'll cover more stocks as well. So more diversity in the content as well. Coffee mug pump. I need to get that coffee mug. Now I have 2 coffee mugs. Thanks to Jonathan. Check this out, guys. You guys need to see this. Handcrafted. This is a piece of art, a piece of history. AMC on one side, GameStop on the other. And look at the bottom. The epic emojis. You have the bananas, the coffee mug, and an onion. Never forget that GameStop onion at 300. And he threw in a Starbucks gift card. Says can't go to the moon without your coffee. This is I feel bad using this. Like I feel bad putting coffee in it. Yeah, guys, it's a stock market. There's always going to be opportunities out there. There's opportunities every single day. There we go, AMC. AMC needs to break above $10. That resistance is slightly there at the triple nines, 9.99. If GameStop, like we talked about, if that strength is there, baby, I'll give you a healthy pullback. This is very healthy of a pullback, but the strength is the bounce and the what? The continuation of the higher pushes in which we're seeing right now. Higher highs. Let's see that. Knocking on that $10 door. Yes, we're at $10. Let's go. Let's go above 10. Let's go above 10 today. If we can close above 10 today, I'll call that a solid W for AMC above 10. Take Tesla, for example. That's an opportunity every day. Before all this GameStop AMC situation, I went 2 months day trading Tesla every day. And there's videos on this channel, by the way, about that. I talk about that. So that's where I came from, just day trading Tesla every day. There's opportunities every day on Tesla, man. Tesla's just such a volatile stock. The bounce, I love it. I love it. Of course, it's a little higher price, but I believe the swings are worth it. The bounces are worth it. Here we go. AMC above 10.05. What do you see? I see a pretty weird W pattern here. Of course, the main key, the main goal is holding these higher lows. GameStop, I think you want to bounce here, baby. There we go. 180. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Usually a pullback is followed by 2, maybe even 3 candles. But so far, we've been seeing a pattern here on the one. One red candle bounce, one red candle bounce. Now we have 2 candles on the red side. Let's see if we bounce on the third one. Third time is a charm. Let's see that 181 breakout. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's just push. Just break above. Come on. AMC is following 10-10. There we look at that ask there. This is not even funny. There's a huge wall at 10-11, 10-12, which is literally just getting ate up. Someone is eating the ask. That's insane. That's what we're waiting for. The break here at 181. We're playing the song. That's a bad luck song. Kramer's the bad luck song on GameStop. How is Facebook running? Oh my gosh. After that freaking leak and it's still oh my gosh, tech. Nasdaq must be ripping. Yup, Nasdaq is literally not playing around today. Nasdaq is not playing around. Ask. The bid and the ask. That's what I said. Ask. Facebook will drop like a rock. Yeah, don't mess with the DAC. Don't mess with Nasdaq, man. Stocks only go up. Shareholder meeting for GameStop. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know the date. I know the month though. June, early June. Early June. I think June 10. I always get my dates mixed up. All right, we're seeing some slight resistance here on GameStonk. EMA on the 5 is at 173. We have some cushion, baby, for a pullback. Alex, stop watching the ads. June 11, right? Okay, perfect. June 11. June 11. What's up, Eddie? What's up? Uh, all the Easter money. Oh. Oh my gosh. All right, the play on Tesla was here at 695. The sell was above EMA. As of now, it looks like it might double bottom, guys. There might be a double bottom here on Tesla at 695. If that's the case, man, is it going to free fall to 680, 80, 87? That's my next price target here. Should I catch the falling knife? Such a very scary pattern. There we go, pulling on back. Let's see, where's the 5 minute? 5 minute EMA for Tesla. We're still seeing that resistance here at 702. Should we hop in yet? Should we wait? Walmart 139. Wow, I think we're in the profit now. This was such a bad timing on my part. Such a bad timing. But I'm glad we're green. I'm going to just sell my Walmart. I had 20 shares, small position. 69 profit. That number's just been bouncing around everywhere. There we go. We just sold Walmart. Visa. Let's sell this. We had 5. Sell that. There we go. Tesla, you're pulling back still? Yes. Easy, clear breakdown here at the double bottom on Tesla. AMC above 10. Let's hold above 10. Don't FOMO. Yeah, every time I FOMO, I have that trigger finger. I use hotkeys to buy and sell, by the way, too. Did I get paid off by Citadel to suddenly shorten your show? Different stocks now. Biggest of all, this is crazy. I can't believe they are still together. What? Tesla pulling back. As expected. Let's see, the next leg down would probably be 687. Patience, my friends. Patience. There's no rush. Tesla's not going anywhere. The double-edged sword out of those hotkeys to buy and sell. Why? It's just because it's just so easy to buy and sell. All right, GameStop. Where was my 5? Where was my 5? 173. We have some cushion. We have some cushion. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, quickness is everything if you want to day trade. You need to be quick. And hotkeys are an amazing aid to that. I'm in love with the car, not the stunk. All right, GameStop, what are you doing? You're going to test EMA on the 5. You're testing 173. So wait and see. 175. We need some cushion for the push and healthy pullbacks. MJ, healthy pullbacks. AMC as well, $10. Let's close above 10 today on AMC. Hopefully we have that pump. Later on with Adam Aaron. Oh yeah, when you day trade, I've missed a lot of trades just by going to the bathroom. And I missed a lot of dips by going to the bathroom. Or even just being out and about. It's like I was so addicted to just checking the price and being like, oh, I would have bought this dip, I would have sold here, I would have made this amount of money. It's just so toxic to do that. Don't do that, guys. It's just a bad habit to have. Thoughts on CCIV? Yes, I have 10 shares of only a CCIV, but I don't plan to touch those shares. It looks like it's consolidated. CCIV has been just around this range here, around the $20 range, mid-20s. So I think the next biggest catalyst, man, is those deliveries. Those deliveries. Look at the tweet. What tweet? Roaring Kitty tweeted. Let's see it. Let's see it, baby. Hopefully we don't get copyrighted. A copyright strike. Roaring Kitty. I guess there was an earthquake today. It's trending all over Twitter. $100 million.
$1 million.
I gotta pause it real quick, guys. Obviously, you know, guys know what. You know the deal. Let's play it again.
Sorry. $100 billion.
What? That's the new floor. Wow. All right, there's another CNBC article on AMC. AMC it just came out literally a second ago. AMC upgraded as Godzilla vs. Kong renews confidence in the domestic box office. Of course, man. Let's get out of the house. If you guys haven't seen Godzilla Kong, go watch that movie. Possibly, Circle. Possibly. Market seems to be doing it's absolutely. I think Nasdaq is still ripping green. It's holding near the high. SPY, we're pulling back. 404, new high. Tesla bouncing possibly. 693, still near the lows. I'd be very suspicious, very sus right now. I think there might be another leg down. I've seen this before. There we go, pulling on back. Seems like it's bouncing every red candle we see on the low. AMC slowly trending. It's a slow step up. Slow step up on AMC. Benji, I can't answer that question. What should I look to add to my CCIV position? What's your plan? What's your thesis? I'm not day trading CCIV. I'm going long term, baby. I'm going long term. All right, let's see. Should we unbox this bad boy? Should we unbox a share? Unpack a share of Tesla? I'm long term on CCIV too. And for CCIV, for long term, these dips, these swings shouldn't really worry you. That's why I only have 10 shares. If there's another leg down to mid 15s, I'll add more. How are you so sure it's WPF? That's my question. It's gonna be a Tesla share, I'm telling you. I emailed Weeble. I told him, hey man, you're giving these other people AMC shares, Tesla shares. It's not right. It's gonna be AMC, I have a feeling. All right, let's see it. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tesla, baby! I call that the chair pump. I want to get water. Snoop Dogg is trading stocks. Snoop Dogg has been pumping Dogecoin, by the way. Who knows how many coins he has? Long-term trading and the red doesn't bother me. Yeah, that's the way. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. What do we got? What do we got? Nothing better than the CEO to keep getting rewarded in shares. We're going back to Robinhood, man. He's got 213 coins? No way. All right, there we go. Tesla is still pulling on back. Look at that 5 minute. Look at that 5. We're due for a bounce on the 5. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. He tweeted again? All right, let's see. Did he tweet? Did he tweet? No, I think you're talking about the video he tweeted. The new floor, 100 million. Well, I'm licking my lips, guys. Tesla's still pulling back. All right, let's see a 687 break. 5 minute. Oh my God. It might test SMA on the 5, 182. People are taking their profits on Tesla. You guys want a new WPF? Roaring Kitty just bought 200 WPF shares. Supreme Court rules in Google's favor in copyright dispute with Oracle over Android software. What's Oracle's ticker? Oh, I don't know their ticker. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna bounce here. Don't tell me you're gonna bounce. Damn. Damn it, Tesla. ORCL, thank you. Yes. Yeah, the stock doesn't really seem to care. You sold at 700? Yeah, Ronald, that was a good sell. Good call on that. It's been twice that Tesla has hit 700 territory and it's got rejected twice. First time got rejected like at 690. Second time it crossed above 700 and it couldn't hold itself. This time it's coming under 7 again. All right, new CNBC article. GameStop shares drop more than 10% after Reddit-driven name plans a 1 billion stock sale. What a misleading headline. The first reply on that tweet is this, Jim Cramer. What's more important when you're in the hedge fund mode is to not do anything remotely truthful. And that comes from that one interview video we saw a couple of weeks back ago. Link article, please. I don't even want to link it. I'll see you later, Dante. Yeah, they should be called out. Here comes GameStop. There we go. 180. Back to 180. I see a juicy cup and handle. Yeah, I agree with you. I'm so numb to by the FUD. These pullbacks don't even phase me anymore. It's like this. It's like this drop here on GameStop. Like when I saw it this morning, I'm like, oh, but another little pullback on an offering. Like we've been through worse, man. Nothing would compare to these halts. These like 4 halts we had back in January. That was just crazy. Nothing beats that. Okay, alrighty, Tesla, 5 minutes. There we have that green candle. Let's be patient. I think there might be more room for downside. Alrighty. Plug. Let's take a look at plug. Ooh, pulling back. Plug power pulling back. I think we looked at this one on Friday, on Thursday, and the first thing I saw, this massive downtrend that started mid-February, descending triangle, man. Lower highs, just not a good sign. Lower lows, not a good sign. Last last level for support is right around $30 here. So if it cracks 30, there might be some more room for downside under 30, possibly to like the mid 20s. So I would possibly avoid this for now. It's down 4% today. It's honoring that descending triangle. GameStop, AMC pushing, baby. Let's go. Come on. Triple top here on AMC at 10:15, guys. You guys see this? This is a triple top at 10:15. GameStop wants to bounce. It wants to break above 180. Run back to those Thursday level, baby. Thursday levels, we're coming for you. Let's see. There we go. Broken out above AMC. Let's go. Broke 10:15. Now the key is to just hold above that level. It really doesn't do us good to just break above and pull on back. There we go. There we go. Guys, I keep watching this 10-year. It's at 1.72 and the market is hitting new highs. Market is roaring. This doesn't make any sense. Oh, 10 cents is a run on AMC, man, with these walls literally left and right on the bid and the ask. To me, that's a run. Cup and handle for what? For AMC? I see it. Probably more apparent on the 5-minute. No, it's an ascending triangle. Simple ascending triangle where it's apparent is on GameStonk. You can see that there. Let's break above. I noticed the last spike came after you opened up your WPF share. Yeah, it's no joke, man. The WPF pump. Maybe that's why they're giving us these shares. Maybe it's a sign we should unpack one every time it pulls back. Maybe that's what it is. I forgot about that stock. TCAT. Oh boy. You guys see this? It's coming back from the dead on the 4-hour, spiking from 34. This might be a cup and half. I'm kind of intrigued. Resistance is at 45. Should I play this? All right, there's that next leg down on Tesla like we anticipated. Very weak today on Tesla, guys. Apart from this gap up, I mean, it's up 4%, but from market open till now, it's been very weak on the bounce. Is it going to find some support there? That's the question. AMC 1016, let's close above 10. Let's close above 10 today. That's the level we need to close. 10. What do you mean, Tanker? You can't sell your Tesla? I can't sell my Tesla. Is it because you might get flagged for pattern day trader? Is that the case? Uh, yeah, 1050 might be sold too as well. Gravitate towards those half-dollar marks. And on days where AMC has ran and rallied, these numbers are magnets, man. 1050, 11, they're magnets. So let's see if that strength is there headed into midday. So far, so good. Uptrend. Beautiful uptrend. That's the goal. Let's see. How's the 5? We're still pulling back on GameStop. 5-minute EMA is at 175. We're not seeing that continuation momentum upward, guys. We're not seeing that aggressive bounce yet. The key now remains these higher lows. What price are we going to hold at? I'm waiting to play Viacom now. Can't FOMO. Same here. I'm waiting, patiently waiting for Viacom and Discovery. Look at this. It's so close to trigger my alert. It almost triggered my alert this morning. Oh my God, I wanna open a position already. I wanna start. Tesla. Ah, damn it, Tesla. Volume is 23 million and 5 million on GameStop. I see your activate Windows is back. Yes, I don't know what's going on with this PC, man. It's back. I think it's just not meant to be. My plan for Viacom is literally just a dead cat. The two last dead cats we played were what? Visa, which was one, if you can see on the 4 hour, it collapsed due to some they were being investigated for their card practices. It collapsed to 209, and we played the bounce. We saw the bounce. We sold today. Walmart was one that we timed very off. We got in at 138, and it pulled back to 126. Look at this. I don't even time the top and bottom right. So you're never going to time the top and bottom. So that's why I'm kind of concerned on Discovery and Viacom. So I'm just going to probably just hop in today. And look at the rally we had today on Walmart. Beautiful breakout we sold today. So that's exactly what I'm waiting to happen on Disca. As you can see on the 4 hour, we're way oversold, but there might be some more room for downside. That's the question there. If it does pull on back more, what levels can we see? Maybe mid 37 level, maybe mid 30s. That's the question. I don't want to get punished like I did on Walmart. Let's see what kind of news we got. Robert's already saying FOMO. It might be a little FOMO. Are you swing trading Viacom or day trading? I'm swing trading it because it's gonna be a couple days before we see that bounce, that aggressive bounce I'm looking for. It might be even a couple weeks. I don't know. We don't know the time frame. Like look at Walmart. The day we hopped in, I've been holding this one for a while. Uh, it was like February 23. And look at this. We just sold today. Look how long it took to bounce. And look, this happens. You don't know the time frame. On Alibaba, on the other hand, when we collapsed here, when Mr. Jack Ma went missing, look when it fell. It fell from like the 250s all the way down to like the 220s. Immediately, it started gapping back up. Like right away, it was back at 240 on the gap up. That's such a quick recovery. We just don't know the time frame. That's what we don't know. But it's more likely going to be Benji. It's going to be a swing trade. Alrighty, AMC looks like it wants another leg up here at 1020s. Let's go to 1050, baby. There's a wall there at 1020. If you see it on the ask, 1020. GameStop still holding these higher lows. Let's get that next push up to 180. Let's go. SPY is still ripping. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. With the 10-year being at 1.7, the market is saying, screw you. We're still going up. Look at this, 405. And we have Powell on Wednesday. It's going to be such a crazy week. Tesla, I'm pretty sure it's bouncing now. It looks like it found some support at 690. I don't trust it, man. I don't trust that recovery until we're above 697. AMC broke past that resistance. Let's go. King Kong is a catalyst for AMC. Absolutely. We have Mr. Adam Aaron later on Power Hour. He's about to speak. I agree with you, Michael. Walmart is a very slow mover. $1.722. I sold my sundial Daryl back when it hit like $4 when Wall Street Bets was going crazy over it. I sold. 1026, let's go. If you guys are enjoying the stream, I'd appreciate if you guys destroy that like button, baby. We're trying to hit 420. There's 816 apes. Sundial is trash. It was just some more of a Biden type of play, as well as energy. It was just a swing trade. Tesla forever. I love the stock, but I'm always careful, you know. The stock doesn't love me back. That's the thing about Tesla and any other stock. You like the stock, you love the stock. Sometimes the stock doesn't care about you, man. Sometimes the stock doesn't love you back. And I've learned that the hard way. Zom doesn't look good. Or Zom does look good. I don't like the barcoding going on. This is horrible. I would avoid this stock unless you're going for fundamentals, man. You're playing a fundamental play. They have an upcoming catalyst, and by all means, go for it. If you believe in your plan, if you have a thesis for your trade, go for it. But for me, I'll pass on that one. Oh, Fred, I appreciate that. Rafiki, hope you had a good week. Oh, likewise, likewise. Speaking of Rafiki, our Rafiki Funko Pop toy, whatever it's called, is supposed to be coming in this week. Yeah, write that down. You love the stock, but it doesn't love you back. I've learned that the hard way, man. Oh man. What's sundial at? You guys aren't gonna make me pull it up. Is it at one? I'm gonna guess. 110. Oh, I'm so close. 108. This is not good, guys. When I was trading sundial, it was not barcoding. It was back in the 80s. 80 cents is when I got in at. Look at all these trend lines I had. And I took my profit literally when it got halted. Like right before it got halted. AMC, that continuation, man. I love it. Come on. The magnet, guys, is 1050. If the strength is here in the next couple hours, we're going to see 1050, maybe even $11. But if you take a look at the 4-hour, we're back in this range, man. We're still stuck within this range. Resistance being right around 12. Support in this case now, I guess you can say, is $9. So we're in this range again. We're back in the range. Some infrastructure plays of FCX, NUE, VMC. Thoughts on Neo for long term or swing? Again, I really can't answer that. Obviously, I have a day trader mindset approach to Neo, swing trader type of approach, but I wouldn't doubt that it's such an amazing long term play. Alongside XPeng, Tesla, the EV market is literally growing at a fast rate. The adoption is crazy. And you know how I could kind of sense that? The Tesla delivery numbers. That's insane. Well, we had a chip shortage. Like I said, no Model S, no Model X, no long range Model 3 in China. That is nuts. EV adoption is insane. It's real. Like I want to get an EV myself. Like it just blows my mind. That Model Y is a killer, man. That Model Y. CCIV, same thesis. Same thesis, going long term. That's why I only have 10 shares. I'm waiting. I'm not rushing it. I'm not rushing it. I'm thinking long term. 1038 on ANC. We're going to 1050. Let's go. Let's just fly, baby. Just fly. That's the magnet, which was yeah. Look at this. We had resistance Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right around 1050s. So that might be the next rejection level before we see a pullback. 1040. Let's go. Let's go. I've had a Tesla for 3 years, no complaints. There we go. There we go. I want an EV, but not a Tesla because I'm not nuts. Tesla and TCAT already made my week. I'm glad to hear that, Tony. I'm very glad to hear that. That makes me happy. I dumped 20,000 into the EV market. I'm going all into Neo and CCIV. Maybe even Tesla as well, I might recommend. And it just depends on your plan. What do you want to do? You want to day trade? You want to swing trade? You want to go long term? If you're going long term, I would recommend not even to pull up your portfolio anymore. Don't. You have to stomach those pullbacks. Volkswagen. What's their ticker? VW. I don't even. Wait, do they have a Volks? What's their ticker? I think they're OTC like Rolls-Royce. What was Rolls-Royce's ticker? That was another hot one. RYCE, I think, is Rolls-Royce's ticker, which is over the counter. No, it's not. Or is it just Royce? No. Someone have their ticker? They're OTC though. Oh, someone just brought it up, Paul. Paul, you brought it up, right? What a coincidence. I'm telling you. Rolls-Royce, have you dabbled into it? I haven't. Rolls-Royce. 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 I don't know their ticker. RYCEY? Yeah, see this scares me. These barcodes. They had a 5.6 billion loss. I mean, no one's out there just buying Rolls-Royces left and right. If I'm not mistaken, Rolls-Royce makes like jet engines or something like that. One of my buddies told me that too. Where are the trolls at? Oh, Volkswagen is ticker symbol VWAGY. I believe they're OTC as well. Yeah, OTC. And if I'm not mistaken, Volkswagen owns like Bugatti. They own Lamborghini, something like that. They own Porsche. You're not going into Tesla because there's more room for growth in NIO and CCA, in my opinion, about both in the ultimate dip. I am so happy. I'm glad to hear that. If you're gonna go long term, I would highly just recommend to wait for a dip. But of course, that goes back to the saying, you can't time the market. Time in the market beats timing the market. They made engines for planes in World War One and Two. Wow, I did not know that. They make plane engines. Or I have it backwards, right? Porsche owns Volkswagen, or does Volkswagen own Porsche? They own Audi, correct? Amazing helicopter engines. Well, I did not know that. See, I don't know anymore. Volkswagen owns Porsche or Porsche owns Volkswagen. It's one or the other for sure. I think Volkswagen owns Porsche. All right, GameStop, such a random spike out of nowhere. I think it's time for another WPF pump. What do you guys think? 182. We're breaking. Let's go. Come on. AMC, follow along, baby. This is your chance. Use that momentum. Gabe, show us 1050. Show us 1050. Volkswagen owns it all, right? Victor, I would agree on that. What's your take on the 3.5 million share offering? It was over. It was coming, man. I had a feeling, Gabriel. We were talking about this. There was that speculation that there might be an offering. We just didn't know when. Obviously, 3.5 million is nothing. Literally, what the outstanding shares is 69 mil. What's like 5%? They took their shareholders into consideration. Keep in mind, Cohen has, if I'm not mistaken, you guys said 9 million shares. They took into consideration the shareholders. Obviously, I don't know how much capital they're going to need. What do you guys think? How much capital they're going to need for the e-commerce revamp? If you guys didn't see, there was this Reddit post yesterday of these PC setup, sort of like for gaming. These gaming tournaments they have in like the arenas. Have you guys seen those esport arenas? These gaming tournaments at these convention centers. It's like they have 30 gaming setups with the chairs, the monitors, everything, the TVs. There was this leak of an image. Let me see if I could find it for you guys. There's like it's this amazing setup. I think it was in Oklahoma, a GameStop in Oklahoma. Let me see if I could find it. That would be so sick. One is being built in Toronto, Canada. Can you imagine hosting tournaments and just streaming them via Twitch, via YouTube, via like on GameStop's like YouTube account? That's another way of monetizing. That'd be so sick. You saw the post? Look at this. And I could see it already how packed these GameStops are gonna be. It's almost like an arcade in a sense. But it could be for esports. I'm telling you, I don't know why GameStop delayed this so much. They announced they were gonna hop into esports in 2009. In 2019, I'm sorry. 2019. 2009. In 2019. I'm trying to find this picture. Here we go. Look at this. This is what I'm talking. They have the gaming chairs. The gaming chairs. This. I don't know much about PC builds. Obviously, you have what is the GPU, right? Yeah, it's a huge and growing industry. Esports. It's like before it was like, oh, you game? That's so boring. Now it's like, oh wow, you game? You're a streamer? I don't know much about PC specs, guys. I'm a noob when it comes to that. Obviously, you have the keyboard, the processors, all of that stuff. But how many of them are going to be in each GameStop? And how many and what if is there going to be in all GameStop stores? Yeah, this isn't new. This came out back in February. Like how many GameStop stores are going to have these little so-called arenas? You don't need to go to a convention center anymore. Oh, where's your local tournament taking place? Oh, the nearest GameStop. Wow, all the boys are going to go there, like it's just insane. The scalpers everywhere for the GPUs. Saturdays for the boys. This is so easily monetizable. It's like I could already see the different types of, and not even that, the different types of ways to monetize the esports segment. But if you think about it, if you look at the bigger picture, guys, GameStop could transform itself like Tesla in a way. How the cult-like following. How Tesla can sell tequila, I think GameStop can too. That brand they're gonna build, and they already have that brand recognition. Who doesn't know GameStop? I think that's one of the most overlooked things. GameStop EV cars. It's like if Tesla can sell tequila and it literally sells out like this, then they can probably sell anything. It's like Apple. They want to sell cars. All right, cool. Did someone say the Tesla tequila sold out? I think GameStop could dive in, like head that path of brand loyalty. How are they going to build that? By having amazing social media presence. By tapping into what? Into culture. Who's doing that? Elon's doing that. Pumping Dogecoin 24/7 on Twitter. That's culture. The day he tweeted GameStonk about Reddit on January 27, that's culture. And that's why people love Elon. AMC is barcoding slightly here at 1037. We did not see 1050 yet, but like I said, healthy pullback. It might be coming in the next couple minutes, but we have some cushion. But I think that's where GameStop could head to. And I think we have the CEO for it. Of course, not CEO yet. Wait for George to step down, but Ryan Cohen. And the flamethrower, yes, the flamethrower is not via Tesla though. It's through the Boring Company. They could make it for adults where you for a certain time making a gaming bar at night. There's so many possibilities. Ryan Tequila Cohen. That they had the flamethrower. What else did they have? Like Elon had these short shorts of the Tesla short shorts, making fun of what? The Tesla shorts, the Tesla shorters, the bears, man. GameStop energy drink. See, there's just so many ways to monetize. They can make you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of G Fuel, right? So G Fuel is like this energy drink. It's not even a drink, it's a powder. You just mix it with water. It's supposed to be for gamers, apparently. It's huge in the gaming industry. G Fuel sponsors all these YouTubers, these gamers. Exactly, partnership with G Fuel. Not even that. Screw G Fuel, make your own. And obviously it's for gamers, tailored for the gamers. Not just the gamers, anybody. You want a pre-workout? You could have the GameStop energy. You know, it's like there's just so many ways with this upcoming growing fast esports industry. GameStop PC keyboards and controllers. There you go. They had a picture, I believe, of the wall on GameStop. Where is it at? And there was a bunch of controllers on the wall. Here's just another one. Pikachu. These are called Funko Pops, right? The Rafiki ones. GameStop branded gaming chairs. I agree, and that goes back to what? The branding, GameStop. They need to get that out there. You just need to see GameStop everywhere. GameStop, GameStop, GameStop. I appreciate that, Dexter. I truly appreciate that. You could call it Game Power. There we go. You see? GameStop should have gaming tournaments in AMC theaters. Oh my God, that would be such a simulation. AMC's back. Such a really fast and quick recovery on this pullback to 1033. Oh my gosh, we're going to 1050, 1045, new high. Is 1050 a meme, guys? Is 1050 a meme? Is 1050 a meme? Here we go. Let me set my alert. 1050, don't be a meme. It's not a meme. $11 is not a meme. Here we go. We're so close to 1050. GameStop is still holding the EMA. GameStop's such a beautiful uptrend. Do you guys see this? Beautiful, beautiful uptrend. A Tesla shirt. So I could get sued by Tesla. That would break my heart, man. Imagine making a shirt and selling it that says Tesla. Literally, I get sued. That would break my heart. Speaking of Tesla, what are you at, Tesla? Reversing? Looks like I found some support at 690. Man, I knew I should have pulled the trigger. I just don't want that FOMO. Oh my gosh, AMC is it's so close to 1050. Come on. 11's the next magnet. GameStop is so lucky to have Ryan Cohen, new blood with the vision, who grew up in the generation that knows this technology. The prior board fiddled with the Rome burned, although the CEO financially did well Q1. Yeah, Cohen. How old is Cohen? He's like, I think I checked yesterday. He was like 35, 36. So he definitely knows what's up. He has that vision, baby. Come on, 1050, you're there. Just break above 1050. There might be a wall at 1050, but I believe we can break. He's 36. What trading platform is Rafiki on? I am on TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. Literally the best platform out there. I tried E-Trade. I didn't like their software, their UI. This is just so appealing to me. It's just so easy to use, buy and sell via hotkeys. I love it. $30K wall. If you guys have this TD Ameritrade or Thinkorswim, if you guys want the exact same setup, I have a free video linked down below. I'll walk you step by step on how to set it up. It's really simple. The platform Turt recommends. Turt is the YouTube assistant guy who helped us. All right, here comes the next leg on GameStonk. Come on, AMC. I believe, baby. Zom is trading at 135. Do you think it would be a good entry for a swing trade? I think for Zom, I've already covered it. I think it's a horrible technical play. A ton of barcoding. If you look at the 4 hour, where do you see a descending triangle? I believe it's trading above the previous resistance. And indeed, it is around 140. The next catalyst is earnings. You said swing trade, right? So I'm assuming you're approaching this from a technical perspective. I would definitely 100% never trade ZOM for technicals. I don't see the play there. I don't like the barcoding. To me, I'd rather just use that capital, opportunity cost, baby, and just play it somewhere else. You're like me, Kevin, right? You gotta overlap that volume on Gamestop. It's killing me. All right, let's do that. Let's overlap that volume. There's so much things you can do on Thinkorswim. It's just so beautiful. There we go. It's overlapped. Now you're gonna tell me, oh, it's different colors and shade of blue than it is on AMC. That does bother me too. You know why I don't like overlapping it? Because look, if you guys see this here, it just confuses me. I can't see the candles. You guys see this? I can't even tell the lower wick end of the candle on GameStop. So that's why I usually just have it in a different tab or separated from the charts itself. So this is why I usually go about this. I don't overlap the volume. And let's just do this really quick. Overlap, nope. Appearance, preset color for volume. It's this shade of blue. Apply, there we go. Trey thinks otherwise about ZOM, but you gotta keep in mind, Trey's looking at this from a fundamental perspective. About that everything, cash flow, everything. He doesn't. I don't think he's really caring about the technicals on it. He doesn't care. It's barcoding. To me, Trey is like an 80% fundamental and 20% technical. I would assume, and I'm literally the opposite of Trey. I'm 80% technical and 20% fundamental. It's literally the opposite. But Trey, he's been trading for what, 6 months? I think you guys said. But he has such amazing analytical skills. For 4 months. Man, I was a potato at 4 months. I was just barely learning the candlesticks, the charts, everything. Yeah, setup level 2 if you're gonna be day trading as well. When I hit Shift B, I usually buy at the ask. Shift S, vice versa, I sell at the bid. So I just get executed like this. I don't have a problem. Apart from the prices changing really quick, I just cancel my order and just keep on clicking those buttons. All right, GameStop 184. Let's get that next leg up, baby. 1050 resistance here on AMC. We're seeing that resistance. Why? We're not breaking above just yet. Elon Musk tweeted about Kong and Godzilla. Positive news article on AMC. Yeah, we have a couple catalysts on AMC today. Such a good day for AMC. We're up 11%. Did someone say potatoes? Yes. ZOM was getting hyped before Trey. I didn't really take a look at ZOM before. I've heard about it. It falls into the hype stocks, I guess you can call it, the meme stocks category. Just saw a big car rental story about no availability. That's so weird because I'm really deep in the car rental business and people are paying 1,000 a day for rentals because there's none. Is this affecting your work? It's literally the opposite. It's been really quiet, really slow. That's why I don't know what's gonna come for this channel come June. June, the summer, it gets really busy, man. It gets really busy. But yeah, people are paying 1,000 a day. Could probably get you a Lamborghini Huracan around that price range. 1,000 a day, 100 miles, obviously insurance, 2,000 deposit and whatnot, the whole shebang. But 1,000 a day can probably get you a Lamborghini Huracan. But it's very, very weird. No availability. I'm pretty sure you're talking Hertz, maybe even Turo. Turo's the app where it's like a third party basically. It's the middleman. Connects a car owner with the renter. And that actually hurt us a lot. The prices on Turo are ridiculous. The people on Turo killed the market. They brought down prices so ridiculously low, it's insane. But I'm pretty sure you're talking about like just basic like economic cars like a Honda. I'm not too sure what you mean by 1,000 a day. I'm not dissing Trey, absolutely not. Just because I wouldn't trade ZOM, I'm not dissing him. How is that dissing him? I have huge respect for him. Arizona was out of cars for 2 weeks. Really? Arizona's a hot market for rentals? I would expect Miami. Miami's really hot for rentals. Good morning, Jennifer. Welcome back. GameStop 184. Are we gonna get that next leg up? We're still waiting. AMC is not going out without a fight, man. We pulled back twice at 1040, and now we're bouncing once again. Let's get that next leg up. Break past 1050. I don't understand how that's dissing. I'm still trying to figure that out. No, you can't pay in Dogecoin. Trevor, you can't pay in Dogecoin. But see, that's the thing. We don't do like economic cars anymore. Like we don't. I think the lowest end car would probably be like a Mercedes, just like a basic CLA 250. But that's the thing with any business. You have to focus. You have to niche down. And the profit margins are way greater on these exotic cars. Of course, the liability is greater as well. So you have to make sure you keep that in mind. Um. Yeah, Florida is not a joke when it comes to rentals. Although I would agree that Florida can be really dangerous at times for rentals. Man, over there they'll steal your car. They'll rent out your Lamborghini. You'll never see that car again. It's very risky out there. They'll ship the car out. We've had situations where we found our Lamborghini here in Long Beach on a freaking crate, man. We're tracking the car, and I'm like, why is it at the beach? The client's not answering. We need the car back, and the car is tracking to be found at the beach on a port, on a docking port. My gut goes like, man, these guys are gonna ship the car out. The police shows up. They find the car in a crate. This is here in Cali, man. Can you imagine Florida? Grand Theft Auto in real life, yeah. I've had people use fake licenses, everything. I've seen it all, man. It's crazy. But I think yeah, no diss, no internet beef, guys. There is no diss at all. Just because I wouldn't trade Zom technical wise, I haven't looked into the company. I don't know fundamentals. I'm pretty sure he's going via fundamental route. Well, by all means, if you believe in the thesis, go for it. Go for it. Just because I don't want to trade something based off of technicals doesn't mean I'm dissing somebody. That's the last thing I want. That happened already with Matt. You guys. I don't know who told Matt thumbnails, stealing thumbnails. I reached out to him. It was all good. It was all good. It's not a big deal. Their insurance got to be crazy on those cars. Yes. But yeah, I agree with you, Michael. Repeat customers. That's why you just got to do good business, man. Do good business. Be respectful. Always just be honest, and you'll have repeat customers. Whatever business you do, word of mouth, it's gonna spread around. I promise you, it is. CNBC is not having Adam Aaron. I think it's Fox who's having Adam Aaron 1 hour before the market closes, which is of course known as Power Hour. The Power Hour. We're gonna be back, guys. So I think we're going to end it here. We're going to leave with GameStop being at 184. By the time I leave, hopefully we have a next leg up. Or right now, as we end it, let's see the next leg up. As well for AMC above 1050. This is the new streaming schedule. We'll be back Power Hour as well. And get ready, baby. New content coming through. We're going to diversify that content. So if you guys are new and you find any value in this, we live stream every day, baby. Monday through Friday, market open. Power Hour as well. Uncle Bruce talking so much smack about you. I love him. But it is what it is, man. All right, so there we go. Let's see a breakup above 1050 on AMC. Roaring Kitty tweeted, by the way. Let's go. Wait. Did he tweet right now? Yes, he tweeted 17 seconds ago. This time I'm quicker than you guys. You guys always catch it first, but I was first today. So he's just dodging balls, right? That's so sick. They got a documentary, right? I heard about it. There's like a Netflix, a Netflix documentary about what? Can someone keep me up to date? I heard about it, but anybody have any more details? I'm really curious. Morning, John. Welcome. Let's see. Uncle Bruce and Andrew about AMC and GameStop. Wait, what do you mean? That's so sick. So what's the documentary on? Just like this whole meme stock situation craze, whole GameStop squeeze and whatnot. They just interviewed him. There's 3 documentaries. There's the Netflix one. They had the Hulu one, which is called GameStop, and I don't know the third one. I'm that's very interesting. That's so sick. I'm really interested to see that how that plans out. Yeah, I was a little disappointed on the Ask Me Anything with Alexis Goldstein on Friday. I always speak my mind. I speak the truth. I feel like it was just another opportunity for her to pitch her newsletter. That might hurt people, but I think that's the way I see it. That's the way I felt like it was, you know. There was a lot of questions that weren't being answered and skipped and avoided. But obviously, if she doesn't have any analysis or take on that, any insights, then by all means, that's okay. But I don't know. Like she said, at one point she said, "There's no GameStop squeeze. It's dead. There will be no squeeze." And then later on, she said, "Oh, I don't know what's gonna happen. It's there's gonna be more volatility. I can't really call a shot." So I'm really confused. Oh, yeah, you were talking regular rentals, right? Yeah, the we're really niched down on the exotics, so there it's just a higher end market, I guess you could say, higher price tag. So it usually isn't like sold out. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Of course, we will come back Power Hour. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is going to be the new streaming schedule. Possibly an hour and a half into market open, and of course we come back Power Hour. The last couple of videos we made, obviously the last couple 10-20 videos we made have been on AMC and GameStop, but there will be a diversification coming through with the content. We're going to talk about Tesla, Viacom, Discovery, other stocks we are watching. I hope you guys enjoy that type of content. If you guys don't, by all means, thank you guys so much for still watching and supporting the channel. As William always says, man, love, peace, and hair grease. I'll see you guys Power Hour.